guys are coming here to Monaco and looking for an adventure, highly recommend doing this hiking trail. It wasn't too hard, but it most certainly wasn't easy. Also, I am a little confused because I saw some people here in like nice clean white pants. Pretty sure you could also drive up here. Is that right, Chris?
I think there's a different access point from Monaco.
Okay, he definitely didn't tell me that before. This was definitely the more adventurous way. And now from up here, you just get the most insane view of the entire country of Monaco. Crazy to see it from this perspective and just see the square kilometers of this place. Only two. It's only 2 square kilometers, but to come up here and see all 2 square kilometers is just pretty magnificent. And a lot of the things here to do in Monaco are super